I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance, not the life I want to live.
Hello guys, so now you have seen the unboxing of this headset. So now I'm recording this video with this headset to check the recording quality of the headphone. So I hope you can hear the how this headset record, or how when you're talking in the phone, how the person on the opposite side will hear. Make sure that what do you like it or not, please mention that in the comment section below. So what I see that this is a 1200 rupees headset, and why I went for this is that it is very flexible. So when I'm looking for a headset, I want it to be very flexible and not a rigid strip like that, and I don't want to go to like a typical company. So I want to experience like what other brands have to offer. So these they are telling us that this is very durable, and actually when you are using this, you can see that this part of the neckband is actually very flexible. So you can easily move around and all. And the sound quality, I want to talk about the sound quality of this thing. Now I have played some songs, and what I found is that the sound quality is actually pretty good. The bass is there, definitely there is a good amount of bass is there, and the vocal when the song is being played, but the sound of the person, the singer, is actually a little bit down, I would say, not like very high, but the bass is definitely there. So the bass is a little bit high, and the vocals, I think it is a little bit low. But anyway, I actually like the way it sounds, and I think they are currently focusing this for people who are going to do heavy workout and all, because they are saying that this have a like IP5 or rating, something like it's waterproof and or something like that. If you are sweating too much, or this is the go-to solution, because it is very durable, as the company say. So other than the headset, you have like 4 extra buds for this thing. Like these things, we have 4 of them, so that is a good thing. Yeah, that is only in the box. So initial impression, this is the initial impression. I'm using this for first one. Initial impression is very good.